Okay, friends, I am Dr. Heena and today for scholarship grade 4, our today's topic for intelligent test is reflection or it is called as images. So there are two types of reflections, water reflection and mirror reflection. Okay, so mirror images and water reflection wali images, ऐसे दो images we have to study. So how we can identify mirror image and how we can identify water images. Now see, if there is such an image in which one square is there, inside the square there is one circle and inside that circle there is one triangle. Now square and circle looks same when it get reflected in the water or when it get reflected in the mirror, but inside it the triangle is there which is facing towards down. Okay, so when we have to identify the water image of it, the figure change will be like key triangle which is facing down, it will face up. Okay, so in water reflection, whatever there is in upside, it goes downward, and whatever there is in the down, it come up. Okay, and now I will tell you about mirror image. Now see, this is one alphabet. Wait, this is one alphabet B whose mirror image we want. Okay, so how this alphabet look in the mirror? Now you can see the straight line is there in the left side of this B and two semicircles are there in the right side of B. Okay, when it gets reflected in the mirror, these two semicircle will come to the left of it and this standing line goes to the right side, means whatever there is in the right it goes to the left and whatever there is in the left it comes to the right when it get reflected in the mirror. So this is the theme of water and mirror images. Now we will directly uh, solve the problem. Now see, they had shown you how the alphabet looks in the water reflection, how the numbers look in the water reflection, so you all can have a look on it. Okay, I will directly take the practice exercise for you. Some of the questions I will take and rest I will give you as a homework, because as much as you try you will be able to find the solution. Now see, in the first figure there is one shape, it goes narrow towards downward, and first topic is water reflection. So I told you whatever there is in the upside it comes to the down and whatever there is in the down it comes to up. Means when we see the reflection of this figure, this narrow portion will come at upper side. Okay, so will not be the answer, this will not be the answer. Okay, now in these two, which is your answer? Now see, in the water images, whatever there in the left side, it remains in the left side only, and whatever there in the right side, it remains in the right side only. Means this dome will remain in the right side and this dot will remain in the left side. So in this figure the dome goes to the right left and dot comes to right, so this is wrong. Your correct answer is option number 3. Understood? So up part will come to down, down part will come to up, and whatever there is in the left it remain in the left, whatever there is in the right it remains in the right in the water images. Okay, or water reflection. Now see, in this figure second, now I just told you square will look like a square only, but only change you got in these small symbols. Now this symbol which is there in the downward side, this circle and this Y kind of, that comes to the upper side, and circle remains in the left and this remain in the right. So which option shows such a two things? So option number 2 and 3 resembles the same. Now I will check for the others. Now this arrow is upward and this arrow is going to the right. So in both of the figure, the same thing is happening. Now you get confused, ki which is your answer. Now see this. Okay, this uh, diagonal. Okay, this diagonal is from right to left. From right to left. Okay. One second. Right to left. So which is correct? This one or this one? One second. It will look like this because it get reflected in the uh, water. Okay. So option number 2 is the correct answer for your question. Okay. Now wait a minute. My network is little bit hang. So I will just check. You look here. Okay. Now see. These alphabets are here, and we have to check whether the which is the correct water image of the alphabets. करके देख हो रहा है क्या? Now see, this L is there in the upper quadrant and D is there in the upper quadrant. So this L and D will come to the lower quadrant. Okay. Now these two options shows L and D at lower quadrant. Now which is the correct one? Now see, this L is looking like this. So in the water, this horizontal line remain like this and this standing line will face downward direction. So this option number 3 shows the correct thing because this semicircle of D should remain at the right side only. Okay. So option number 3 is the correct answer here. Okay. Now some of the I will left for you. Now I will take this number wala. Okay, because it is very much important for you how to identify the numbers. Okay. Now see. Now this is 6. Okay. Now this 6 in water, how it looks? This circle will face upward direction as it is facing down here, and this 6 curve line will remain at the right side. So this 6 look like this. Okay. Now 6 looking like this is there in the 3 options. Okay. Now these 3 options shows the 6 looking like this. So we have to check for 4. Now this 4 will look how it look. Now this line should be facing towards right only. So this is the reflection of 4 in the water. So this is not the option. This 2 may be the option. Now out of these 2, this 2 you can see this 2 is facing towards 4. So in which option 2 is facing towards 4? In option number 4. See, 2 is facing 4. In this option 2 is in the opposite direction of 4. Here 2 is facing towards 4. So this is your correct option. Okay. So in this way you can solve the sums for alphabets, for the letters, for numbers. Now see, this is Marathi writing Janak, and we have to find the water image of it. Now this line is there in the upper direction, so this line will go down. This Ja will remain at the left side, and this curve also remain at the left side. So this will look like this. Okay. Now where is such an option? This second and fourth shows same option. Now see, this na also remain towards the left only. So this na will look like this. So here the na is looking like this. Here also na is looking like this only. Now we will check for the ka. Now if you look carefully, this half semicircle of ka is completely joined, and this is incompletely joined to the standing line. Now in this option, but this will remain at the left end. In this option, this completely joined semicircle is there on the right side. So option number 4 is your correct option here. Okay, understood how to identify. Don't be in hurry to identify the figure because sometimes it is very tricky. Okay, now I will take some of the sums for mirror images. Now see here again, alphabet, how they look in the mirror, they have shown. How the numbers look in the mirror, they have shown. Whatever they are in the left side, it goes to the right side, as I told you. Okay, now it will not remain in the same side. Now see, 7 is facing towards left here, here it's facing towards right. So whatever there in the left, it goes to the right. Whatever is there in the upside, it remains in the upside, and whatever there in the downside, it remains at the down only, because here no changes will be there in the upward downward direction of the images. Now see, this image we had seen, its water reflection. Now we have to find its mirror image. Now see, I have told you whatever there in the left, it goes to the right. So this standing line will go to the right side of the image. So this shows the same, this shows the same, this shows the same. So this option get cancelled. Now this dome is there in the right, it will come to left. So in this figure the dome is at left, in this figure the dome is at left, here also, but it remains upward only, so this gets cancelled. Understood? Now this dot is there in the left side, so it goes to the right side. So this is wrong and this is your correct array. This is your correct option. Option number 1. Okay, understood? So we had seen the same figure for its water reflection and the same figure for its mirror reflection. Now again the same figures are given for water and mirror reflection. Okay, now see here, question number 2 also we had seen its water reflection. Now we will see its mirror reflection. So this horizontal arrow is there in the left, it will goes to the right, it is in the right, so it will go to the left. So these 3 options shows the arrow in the left. So 1, 3, 4 may be the answer. 1, 2 and 4 may be the answer, so 3 get cancelled. Okay, now this Y shape symbol is there in the right, it is in the left, here it is also here in the left, this is get cancelled, 4 number option. Now we have to just check for again the diagonal. Now diagonal which was coming from left to right, it will go from left to right, but like this, then like this. So option number 1 is the correct option for your answer. Okay, so understood? Whatever there in the left, it will go to the right. Whatever there in the right, it will go to the left, and up down figures remain the same. Now we will check for the alphabet. Now C and Z both are facing each other. Okay, now when look into the mirror, this Z is at right, it will come to left. So this option shows the Z at left, second option, first option, and fourth and third, all options shows Z at left. Okay, now how it will look? Now see, Z's lower horizontal segment facing right. So in our answer figure, Z's horizontal lower segment will face left and upper segment will face right. So in which option Z's lower segment is facing left and upper segment right? So in the option number 3 and 4 only, not in first and second. So these 2 may be your answer. But both the C and Z are facing each other. So option number 4 only shows the Z and C facing each other. So option number 4 is the correct option for your question. Okay, so this is the theme of mirror images. I hope you understood the concept. I will take some more sums and then we will take a leave. Wait a minute. Now see, this is one complicated figure. No shape, only the color drop get split when it get in contact with floor. So see here, this kind of shape is facing towards the right, so this shape will face towards left. So only first and third shows the figure in which this shape is facing towards left. So these two may be your options. Now this shape and this shape, right, and it is also correct. Okay, now we'll check for further when we check now see, in the first figure, this curve like shape is there in the middle, but in the first figure it is in the left side. So option number 3 is the correct option here. Okay, now numbers. Okay, numbers ka this number water reflection we had already seen. Now mirror reflection. So this 6 is there in the left, it goes to the right. So this and this may be your option. Fourth get cancel. Now this circle of 6 is inside the figure near 4. So this should be inside the figure near 4 or facing towards left. So option number 2 get cancel, only first and third will be valid. Now this 4, it is facing right, it should face left but not get inward. So your correct option is option number 1 only, because in third figure they had given the water reflection of the 4, not the mirror reflection. Now again I will take the last sum, which is related to Marathi alphabets. Now see, the is there in the right side, so in your answer the will come in the left side. So only this second option shows the in the left side, so I will not check further. Option number 2 is the answer of your question. Okay, so I hope you understood this water mirror reflection images, and we have to take next topic based on identify the similarities that we will take in the next class.